So an interesting thing happened the other day. I broke my folding chair and I set it outdoors just to be like, okay, am I going to repair this? What am I going to do? Am I going to turn it into something else? And a day later, I walked outside my studio and a wren had built a nest in this folding chair. Like one day later, that's all the time that it took. So I was like, okay, well, I'm just gonna leave it there, let her do her thing. That's her little happy home. Let her do her thing, and so I left it. Well, the next day it's raining like crazy, and I got really curious. Okay, I wonder if the wren is still out there. So Gracie and I go to check it out, and we're like, yeah, it's really raining hard. We don't want to go get wet, so we just left it there. The wren got to go do her thing. Um, so maybe a day or two more go by, maybe a little bit more than that. Hard to tell. I've been working like crazy. We're like, okay, well, it's nice and clear. Let's go see if the wren is still out there. Sure enough, the wren was still out there. And interestingly, I spooked her up. I did did Gracie to
no.
don't get the wren. I don't know if she could have caught it, but she's gonna try. And sure enough, look at there. There were actually 3 little wren eggs inside. Is that cool? I love it.